Okay, so in the last video, we went about setting up our OneDrive and then our website folder and our index.html document. So now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to actually start making something with HTML. So what we're always going to start with in HTML is the less than symbol, HTML, and then a greater than symbol. Now this is called just generally this type of layout is called a tag. This one here specifically is our HTML tag. It tells the browser what you're reading right now is HTML. Okay, so we're going to hit enter, and VS Code is going to do a lovely job of putting it all the way down here and making it nice and indented. So the next thing we want to do is put in a header. Well, the head code, like this. And this allows us to tell the browser information about our website that isn't specifically content. Okay, so this isn't going to show up to the user in most instances. What we might want to do is we might want to add a title though, so that our website has a title. So I'm just going to say Mr. Walker's website. Okay. Now you may want to name it whatever your website that you're planning on making is, and I think that would be a good idea. So let's see. We'll save, which is Control S or File Save, and we'll go into our Explorer here. We'll go to our Documents, our website folder. We can open this index.html document that we were editing in this case Microsoft Edge, and you'll see here it says Mr. Walker's website at the top, but it's otherwise completely blank. So I'm just going to pop these two next to each other like that. I'm going to close that so we can still see what we're writing. Otherwise it's completely blank, and that's because we don't actually have a body. So every website has the head and it has the body. Okay, the head is generally stuff the browser reads, and the body is the stuff that we as people see. So what do we want to do next? Well, maybe I want to add a heading here on the page. So what I do is I open a H1 tag, okay? And this is heading, that's what the H stands for, 1. So it's the top level. So we'll say Mr. Walker's website. It's the same as the title, it doesn't have to be. I'm just choosing, or maybe we'll say welcome to Mr. Walker's website. There we go. And we'll save that. And now I can just hit refresh and it will reload from the file. Now, if I don't save, see that little white dot up next to index.html, I refresh, you can see that it doesn't say welcome to Mr. Walker's, it says welcome to Mr. Walker's website. And that's because when I save, Control S, that's when it changes the file. Okay, we're going to put website back in there because that doesn't make sense otherwise. So now you can see it says welcome to Mr. Walker's website. Amazing. Now we can just add stuff in the body here. We can put something in there that's probably not objectively true, but I would like it to be a very cool website. Now, it will just show up. But it's good practice that we want to put any text that's going to be, there's lots of text, or it's like just, like a description or something like that. Big blocks of text want to go in paragraph tags. The important headings want to go in, in a heading tag. So if I were to go have a look at the school website, you would see here that this here, that's a heading. This here, that's probably in a paragraph tag. Sorry. And so that's the distinction that we're making here. Okay, headings, big, bold, very small amount of words. Paragraphs are a very large amount of words, much smaller font. So that's the basics of HTML. we'll go on to do more with that soon.